Okay.
Wowee.
What in the world? That was not what I was
Oh, it's all
expecting.
over the screen.
That was not what I was expecting.
Um,
Oh, and there's
so-
stuff in it. Hold
yeah,
on. So
yeah.
hard candy lollipop with watermelon flavored with sweet and spicy powder. So I guess you lick the lollipop.
Ooh, that does not smell very good.
Oh, it's not going to be good at all.
Smell it.
So this
Smell
is
it. Smell
this is the
it.
watermelon with chamoy. I know we won't like this, but I'm going to try it anyways.
So how do we try this? Oh,
Right there.
I'm not sharing that with you. It doesn't.
If you like the chamoy. I don't like the chamoy. I'm sacrificing this for you guys.
Are you even gonna let me have any? Don't try it, not like it. Take another bite. Get the same reaction. That's boring. And now I've got your slobber all over it.
Yeah, sour. Yuck.
Yeah.
Mm.
That's the best.
Mm.
Oh yeah, in case
Zero.
in case-
Nope, 0.
I'm gonna give it a solid
Yuck.
4.
4? What?
It's not that
She
bad.
won't touch it after this. It's gonna go in the trash.